Authorities in Zimbabwe believe they are on top of the situation to contain the current outbreak, with the latest move being the vaccine program coming as a major boost to a mix of interventions being rolled out. Harare has so far been the epicenter, with Kuwadzana, Glenview and Budiriro being some of the hotspots. Our correspondent, Mirai Nsingo, visited Hopley on the outskirts of Harare, which is a potential hotspot for the disease.
Tarisai Chakanyuka from Hopley has been having episodes of running tummy and vomiting for the last 24 hours. The 43-year-old is another case of suspected cholera.
For 30 minutes.
Government will soon vaccinate this community against cholera. But in the meantime, Tarisai has just received sachets at an oral rehydration point a few meters from her house. Zimbabwe Red Cross Society, European Union and the Finnish Red Cross is supporting government efforts. They have set up oral rehydration points in cholera hotspots to reduce disease severity.
Of breaking the transmission at household level, and also at setting up oral rehydration points in cases where you have a high number of cholera patients. So this was set up just before Christmas this year. We have also set up oral rehydration points in other parts of Harare and are currently considering scaling up the project further.
People from communities like this succumb to cholera due to delayed treatment.
So most of the cases that are mild and moderate can be managed here through oral rehydration. Or people know it as salt and sugar solution.
Research has shown that 80% of suspected cases can be managed at community level through oral rehydration points.
So this setup here in this community will then go a long way in improving access for our cases that occur in this particular neighborhood, because they are having their treatment close to them, and it also goes a long way in preventing deaths.
Red Cross is already supporting neighboring Zambia in its cholera response.
The Red Cross is responding to the cholera outbreak in Zambia, Malawi and Mozambique as well, to mention a few examples in the region.
The 2-year project running till 2025 could be exactly what communities like Tarisai needs in the face of the ravaging cholera outbreak. Reporting for ZTN Prime, I am Mirai Nsingo.
Now, as much as we shouldn't have a disease like cholera in our communities, the fact is that it's treatable and people don't have to die from it. The trick is to see the symptoms early, immediately rush them to a hospital, and of course get all the necessary treatment there. And of course, to prevent it, go and get vaccinated. 2 million doses are out there. Started last week, Monday. A lot of citizens have already gone and got it, particularly in the hotspots. Please go and get your vaccination.
Konapo. Ipapo pa ZTN Prime. DSTV channel 294. The place to be.